Hello, my name is Dylan. I work in Golly Slater.
I'm Charlie. I work for Real Effects. Anything kind of practical effects wise. I've been doing this for the last year.
Hiya, I'm Nathan and I've been working for BBC Sport Wales.
Okay, so then if you're Josh Gill, fi'n gweithio chwarae yn gyda'r BBC.
So my name's Oliver Shaw, goodbye Ollie, and I work in BBC Studios and I'm working on Casualty in the sound department.
I'm Jess and I work for BBC Wales Sport.
My responsibilities as an apprenticeship vary day by day. I work with many different clients such as Cardiff Council and Welsh Government, which always gives me opportunities to learn different things about each client.
I kind of started off with my main responsibilities being like loading vans, maintaining kit, getting the right things to kind of make a successful production, a successful effect. And then obviously as I kind of progressed through that and had more time, more experience, I'm kind of moved into more firing systems, maintaining some more, complex things and keeping them working, and then getting on set more and more, and actual kind of on the ground technician work, which has been great. There's been a lot of smoke, some pyrotechnics. Responsibilities with that is obviously making sure higher up technicians got what they need. And just keep my ears open, learning.
My main responsibilities I've had vary between being media manager, so what that entails is getting archive for upcoming programmes, whether that be Club Rugby, Scrum 5, programmes like that, or getting material for external people outside of the BBC. Additionally, I also do some work as AP on occasion on programmes such as Match of the Day Wales, Club Rugby and Scrum 5.
Y prif tasg yn gwneud yw, bydd rhywun yn dod I fi a gofyn os fi'n gallu ffeindio siampl fel gol Gareth Bale yn fel 2010, 2011, a bydde fi'n mynd trwy gil'r content I gyda a ffeindio'r gol yna, clip o fel lan, a wedyn anfon I person sydd eisiau fe. Os mae unrhyw'n stuck, neu pobl sydd yn gweithio gyda fi eisiau help gyda gwaith, fi yna I helpu fi. Mae yna dwy gêm pob wythnos gyda'r URC, a tasg fi yw mynd trwy folder gyda'r headshots o'r chwaraewyr, a wedyn rhoi team sheets gyda'i gilydd. So pan maen nhw'n gwylio'r gêm, os maen nhw'n gofyn i'r pobl sy'n delio gyda'r camera, fe eisiau fel Alwyn Jones, fe eisiau close-up o fe, maen nhw'n gallu edrych ar y team sheets a gweld bod hwnna'n Alwyn Jones a wedyn panio I fe.
Some of the main responsibilities that I've sort of been given during my time here at the BBC mainly involve sort of managing the sound equipment that we use, sort of wrangling the cables and stuff like that, sort of holding onto the transmitters, handing out the cans and the headphones for directors and the production managers to listen in on the audio that we're recording. And then when it comes to it, I also work with the boom mics. So I'll be, if one of the boom ops is unable to do a scene, I'll come in and be the backup boom mic operator, or if we need 3, they'll usually hook me up to a cable and I'll be picking up any additional audio that needs recording during a scene.
So I started over in TV originally, so I was helping out with media management, like source and archive, external and internal productions. And running as well, like collecting guests, taking them to where they need to be for programmes. And then I swapped over to radio, so since being on radio I work for Radio Wales Sport on a Friday evening. For that I normally find contributors, contact them, I do voiceovers, I edit audio. I've also been kind of writing for online, I've had a chance to interview people as well.